This is the Impromptu Tactical Pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather Right in the Rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the Impromptu Tactical Pen.
At Bushnell Outdoors, every product is evaluated by one simple standard: performance is everything. When it came to designing the new PowerSync portable power line, Bushnell worked tirelessly to build the hardest working line of portable solar devices on the market. When it comes to collecting solar energy, it all begins with surface area. The larger the panel, the more cells available to collect energy from the sun. You know, unfortunately, until now, that's left consumers with less than ideal options. Like the rigid, bulky solar panels that are tough to pack into the outdoors, or those miniature panels that just don't have the capture capacity. Thanks to the new PowerSync product from Bushnell Outdoors, that's all about to change. Using the thin film solar technology that's rollable or foldable, PowerSync gives consumers a portable, lightweight solar option that can be quickly and easily deployed. Unlike the crystalline-style panels on the market today, PowerSync continues to collect solar energy even when full sunlight isn't available, making it the most versatile and efficient solar product on the market. And it gets even better. An integrated lithium-ion battery system allows the PowerSync device to be charged even before you depart for your next adventure, giving you your very own portable power station right from the moment you step off the grid. And once you've reached your destination, it's simple plug-and-play to recharge devices, thanks to a quick charge circuitry that charges devices at the speed of a wall charger. And with its expansive solar collection capacity, it's easy to refuel the PowerSync battery and ensure that you'll always have power available when you need it, day or night. When performance is everything, count on PowerSync by Bushnell Outdoors.
Introducing AutoEscape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, AutoEscape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, AutoEscape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. AutoEscape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, AutoEscape is ready to go. AutoEscape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold AutoEscape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. AutoEscape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the eTech City water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.